hot water on demand. Rinnai RX199iN. The smart, space-saving, energy-efficient game-changer. Tired of running out of hot water? Say hello to endless hot showers, powerful water pressure, and energy savings with the Rinnai RX199iN. This compact, suitcase-sized powerhouse delivers up to 11.1 GPM, meaning you can run 7 fixtures at once without a single shiver. Plus, with 98% efficiency, UEF 0.98, you're slashing energy bills while getting piping hot water whenever you need it. Whether you prefer natural gas or propane, this SmartSense gas-controlled heater adapts to your home's needs. And thanks to VersaVent, install it inside or outside, your call. Why settle for an old-school water tank that guzzles energy and space? The Rinnai RX199iN is a high-tech, self-adjusting genius that heats water only when you need it. Forget the rusty buildup of traditional tanks, this condensing model stays cleaner, lasts longer, and delivers purer hot water every time. It even comes with a quick flush function to make maintenance a breeze. And if you want full control, just connect it to the Rinnai Central App for Wi-Fi-enabled smart monitoring. Control our module sold separately. Welcome to water heating reimagined. Water heaters shouldn't take up prime real estate in your home. This sleek, wall-mounted wonder frees up space while cutting energy costs. The dual-fuel compatibility, natural gas or propane, means you're getting one model that fits any setup. Plus, with Energy Star certification, you can kiss high utility bills goodbye. And let's talk durability. Rinnai Tankless systems last twice as long as traditional tanks. That's years of reliable hot water, minus the headaches. Quality matters, especially when it comes to home essentials. The RX199iN isn't just another water heater, it's a precision-engineered masterpiece that undergoes rigorous testing before leaving the factory. And because Rinnai stands by its products, you're covered with a strong industry-leading warranty. 10 years on the heat exchanger, 5 years on labor, and 1 year on parts. That's peace of mind, built in. Stop settling for lukewarm showers, sky-high bills, and clunky water tanks. The Rinnai RX199iN is your ticket to unlimited, ultra-efficient, and perfectly heated water, anytime, anywhere. Whether you need an indoor or outdoor solution, this compact, powerful, and future-ready heater delivers. Click buy now, and experience the next level of home comfort.